Hey, what's up? Thanks for watching BRENSPEED TV. Today it's a 13 GT manual transmission. We just installed the Roush 710R Supercharger. Hey, we're gonna watch a dyno pull. I'm Brent from BRENSPEED. Thanks for watching BRENSPEED TV. If you haven't subscribed, it notifies you up to date on cool dyno videos. But we're gonna go down, we're gonna take a look at the engine compartment. I have Corinne with me. They're gonna watch that dyno pull. We're gonna talk more about it. Let's go check it out. All right, as always, everything I show you, I will put a link in the description so you can click on it, read a lot more about it. But Corinne, let's go take a look. We have a 100,000 mile 13 GT manual running 93. It's the Roush, it's a TVS 2.3 supercharger. I love this. You get the GT 500 throttle body. We include the big Roush air induction system. You get 47-pound fuel injectors, Kohler spark plugs, a Kenny belt boost to pump, proper calibration. That's available for mail order or here installed at BRENSPEED. Speaking of install, use the email quote at BRENSPEED.com. Say what's that cost to get installed. We also installed our big alloy radiator, high flow fan, cooler thermostat, rear cylinder head cooling kit, because you know I love cooling mods. Another awesome thing when this car came in, it already had a set of Kooks long tube headers, made in the USA, one of my all-time favorites. Check out this dyno pull. One of my favorite things about this kit is the perfect drivability. I mean, I ran this kit for a long time. I mean, my Mustang now is a 2019. But I had a lot of the 11 to 14 Mustangs. Pretty much always ran the Roush on them. You know, right when you go wide open throttle, instant torque. Corinne, come over, take a look. 93 octane, Dynojet SAE, 92 degrees today, 606 roll horsepower, peaking at 7,200. Torque comes in at 496, peaking at 4,500 RPM. Killer numbers. I love that because I love the instant torque of a Roush TVS style supercharger. Take a look. Another reason I like this car, so I used to have a 12, it was exact same color pretty much, and it looked pretty much identical to this right here. So hey, I'm Brent from BRENSPEED. Remember, leave that comment. If you have questions about this or maybe other videos or other vehicles, leave it. I'm happy to answer. Quote at BRENSPEED.com, what's it cost to get installed, as well as that description. We'll have links to everything we just talked about. You can read more about it. We have these superchargers in stock. We can ship it right to your door, or you can come in for an install. We're in Indiana. Thanks for watching.